Alright, what's up guys? The DB2 Alex here with another video. I just want to show you the engine I'm going to be putting in the Integra. So yeah, this is the engine right here. If you guys remember from one of my other videos, I took the piston off this engine. And well, the block should work. I mean, it's all fucking rusty and stuff, but it's real bad. But I'm gonna put it in there. Clean it up. Clean the cylinders up. The crank, I mean, it looks fine. There's nothing there. So this should work. Just gonna put everything from my b20 into this b20. Slap it back in the car. And this engine was sitting in the rain for a couple months. Not covered, not nothing. So we'll see if it works. If not, I mean, I was gonna put this LS that I have right here in it, but I already ordered the head gaskets for the b20, so I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm about to clean this up, and I'll show you guys when it's all cleaned up. So it'll probably take me a couple hours, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I'm gonna kind of like show the steps that we're taking to get this engine ready. So right now what we did, since it's all rusted up, we already have two pistons out that we had took before, but these two are stuck. So we sanded the cylinder sleeves down a little bit with sandpaper, not too much, just to get all that surface rust off. Then we put WD-40 in there so it can lubricate around it. So right now what we're doing is we're trying to move the crank up and down. See, so as you can see, the piston is moving up and down right now. Before it wasn't even moving at all. So we're gonna keep messing with it till the pistons can come out, and then I'll start recording once we take those pistons out. Alright, so it's been like 5 minutes, and we already got a lot of play in it. We can move the crank a lot more. But I already took the rod cap off the bottom, so I'm about to pop this piston out right now. Record the top. Let me get something to pop it up with. Probably just hit the bottom with this to pop it out. Oh shit. So it looks like the ring's gonna get stuck up here, but it should pop out right now. Move the crank a little bit. Here we go. Straight shot right here. There we go. See all that rust that started producing in the rings. So yeah, these are fucked. But like I said, I'm gonna take the pistons off my engine, the one with the cracked sleeve, and put it on this one. Here, so I'll show this in here. My brother's the one recording right now. You see all the rust on the sleeves, but my dad has the little rocks that you put in there, and they'll clean up the bore. So I'll start recording once we take this other one out. Show over here. Look at that. That one's still kind of stuck, so we're gonna have to play with it. So it'll eventually go up right now. See, right there. There we go. See, for this engine sitting in water, well, in the rain for like 5 months, or I don't even know, probably longer, it should work. Just gotta clean it up. So yeah, I'll start recording right now once we start cleaning up the cylinders. Alright guys, so this is the thing I was talking about to clean up the cylinders. So it's not the one with the metal beads on it, but it has these little like leg things, and that cleans it up. It's not too hard of a grit, it's just like a little rock, just to kind of clean this up. Because if you look in here, I don't know how well the camera can pick it up, but it's all like rusty and shit. So we'll start with this one. So what you do is you just put this in here. You grab these little sticks and they close. Stick it in there. Let me just. Don't want to go too down and hit the crank. Alright, I'm gonna go get another gun, and this one's kind of dying. So I'll clean this one up, then I'll show you guys when it's clean. Alright guys, so I already finished cleaning one of the cylinders up, so I'm gonna show you guys how clean it is right now. So, show how good you can tell. There you go, focused up. So I'm gonna show you one of the dirty ones. I'll put them on to this one. Move the camera up a little bit. So yeah, that one's still really rusty. So I'm gonna clean this one up right now and show you guys. So like I said, you just get the little legs like this, stick it in here, and this. Want to go up and down evenly. And get a rag to clean it up real quick. Use this. Camera, show you guys. So it's that way cleaner. I mean, it looks like a little dirty, but I mean, like if you touch the inside of it, it's like hella smooth compared to like one of these crusty ass rusty ones. Yeah, you see, hella crusty. So the next step is clean all these up, which I already showed you guys how I'm doing it. Then I'm gonna clean up the whole block itself. It's all dirty and shit. And then I'll probably clean it. I think I have some paint for it, so I'm gonna be power washing it. So I'll start recording once I start power washing it.
Put some degreaser on it.
Yeah. Show this shit. This shit was dirty as fuck. So, looks way better. Probably gonna give it one more degreasing and then hit it with the power washer one last time. Yeah, then I'm gonna see if I have paint. If not, whatever. It's not a big deal. Alright, so the engine's done drying up, so I'm gonna show you guys the engine. I'm not gonna paint it. I thought I had paint, but I don't, so I'm not gonna go to the store and buy paint. I mean, it looks pretty good, I think, so here, I'm gonna show you guys. It's all cleaned up. So yeah, the next step is taking the engine out the car, which my dad's finishing up a car in the driveway right now, so then I'll put my car in and just take it out, swap everything over. So I'll be on the next video, so till then guys, deuces.